Hey tartlets, it's Deanna. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan cinnamon buns. And these are so delicious. I am obsessed with them and I hope you guys will be too. So keep watching and find out how to make these. Alright, so first we're going to add 1 cup of warm almond milk to our mixing bowl. And then we're just going to add in 1 teaspoon of the sugar. And then 1.5 packets of yeast. Then you're just going to mix that all together and then you're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes just to activate that yeast. Next you're going to add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and then 1/3 cup of melted vegan butter plus 1 teaspoon of salt. And then you're just going to mix that all up until it forms a soft and slightly sticky dough. Next, you're just going to take the dough and you're going to roll it out into a rectangle on a floured surface. Now, I used tinfoil and this was kind of a bit of a struggle for me. I would suggest next time I would use parchment paper and I think that would be a little bit easier. But this definitely posed a bit of a challenge for me, as you can see. So if you have any other suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. But you're supposed to put this into a rectangle, and I ended up having to take a knife and kind of just trim the edges to make it more rectangular and less like an oval. Then you're going to go ahead and brush the surface with some melted coconut oil. You can use about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil melted. We're mixing 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and mixing that all up. And then we're just going to sprinkle it onto the dough and smooth it evenly. Now we're just going to roll up the dough. This also was a little bit hard for me. And then we're just going ahead and slicing these about 1.5 inches thick, but it's really your preference. Mine were gigantic. Then place them into a greased baking pan and cover with plastic wrap and just let this sit for about 20 minutes so they fluff up. Then while the rolls are baking, we're going to make the frosting, and we're going to use 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and then 3 tablespoons of almond milk and just mix that all up. Once the rolls are done baking, you're going to drizzle that delicious icing all over them. And I, of course, added more frosting because you can never have too much. And these were so amazing. I promise you will love them. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are trying out these vegan cinnamon buns, and let me know which kind of video you'd like to see next because I'm taking suggestions. Until next time, tartlets, bye!